Hey folks, Victor Potential here. We got another lock tonight. This is an ERA padlock. Look at their website. I don't think they do padlocks anymore, but I could be wrong. Anyway, so I got this one from Made, along with a few others, so thank you to them. This thing is a little bit of a pain in the butt to pick. So they're submitting. We'll try to get into it. That's the keyway. It's almost like the Avis small Y1 keyway kind of thing going on. Using top of keyway, and I've got medium flat. So we'll see what we can do. Okay, go click there. A little bit of a false set. This does have some spool pins in it. Okay, that was one. Oh, this feels like mush. I'm out of. I reset that. Alright guys, we'll try again. Okay. Oh, overset again. I think this one just needs more tension than I'm used to. Okay. There it goes. Boom. So, padlock wise, this thing is heavy and is fairly solid. I like the grommets that are on the shackle, but as you can see, it does not use ball bearings on the shackle, so potentially shimmable. I feel like if the hold on, and ball bearings are, this would be really nice. Also, I really like this. Watch this. Cool little detent right there. So that's neat. Cool little lock. Pain in the butt sometimes. Requires I wouldn't call it gorilla tension, but some moderate tension to get the pins to give some good feedback. So thanks to Made for this. We'll see if I get any other fun opens tonight. Thank you all.